The cold wind rapes and scrapes the soft, supple satin drapes in the cave of evening shade. Under gunmetal sky, cracked, splintered, and dry, we played our tragic masquerade. On the mantle of doom and foreboding gloom, we reach for this feeling we're chasing. We can't quite grasp enough of it, just a quick silver touch of it. This dream, daughter time is erasing. Then, I feel your heart slip, so I tighten my grip on the trembling lip of this storm. Your body's a river, a fast-running shiver, and I can't seem to keep myself warm. Engulfed by the ocean and fading emotion, you let go of my hand. Tide sweeps you away, but bids my heart stay. Nothing is as we planned. Waves wash me ashore, lips parched, evermore, never to taste yours again. Love letters and pain, left out in the rain, became a fading ink stain. Now, days without sun, the moons come undone, and I've become the rain. Thank you all very much for listening.